Next step is to do your stitch, to pass the needle through the tissues. Okay, again I said I will say the word perpendicular a lot and tips a lot, so you need to rotate your hand to go with the tip of the needle to be perpendicular to the tissue. So in order for the tip of the needle to be perpendicular for the tissue, you need to rotate your hand. Okay, that's the first thing, is to rotate your hand. Okay, and the other step, that's not perpendicular, isn't it? You need to invert the edge with the forceps, or with just pushing it, or just holding it. So that's not the best forceps to hold the skin. Okay, I will use the tools forceps. I will speak about that later. So you need to invert that and rotate that, so go perpendicular. And the movement is rotation, not pushing. Okay, the movement is rotation, is to respect the curve of the needle. Okay, just respect the curve of the needle and follow it. So don't push, rotate. Okay, rotate, and then bring it from the middle, pick it up, leave it, and then in order to pick up the needle with the needle holder, you need to rotate your hand again. Okay, you cannot take it like that. You need to rotate your hand again and rotate and take it out. Now next step, you need to hold the needle with the forceps, mount it again in the right way in the needle holder. Okay, and then rotate, go for the other edge, go perpendicular. You might need to invert, go perpendicular and rotate. Don't push, rotate. Okay, and pick it up with the forceps. And again, in order to pick it up with the needle holder, you need to rotate. Okay, and pick it up and rotate your hands again. So what is that? You need to go perpendicular. Okay, that's number one. And you need to rotate and respect the curve of the needle. These are the two tips. And the other very important tip is never ever hold the needle with your fingers. Use the forceps to hold the needle and to mount it in the needle holder. Okay, so these are the tips of just passing the suture through the tissues. Okay, I will go for the next step later.